stick these things because the computer, as it sees these dots, it's measuring the distance between them, and that's giving it its location in space. Kind of cool. Anybody can get the data. So you don't have to be a pattern expert to go out and get what you need so that the company can continue to operate. When I was running Canvas Crew, the biggest problem was I couldn't find anybody that knew how to make a pattern. And
even passively, like you can't. It is so like it's oh god, it's so basic. Just fill the space, man.
yeah, but somehow, you know, I trained people for years, and then they go out to do their first pattern on their own, and they bring it back, and it's too small.
Every time.
Almost
Every time.
The Vega scanner. I've used the really nice, expensive scanners, and I've used crappy, cheap ones, and this one is by far the easiest to use, the fastest to get data, like good, reliable data, and you can tie everything in. We could scan this whole boat if we had, you know, a full day. There are some tricks to these I didn't bring with me because I'm not exactly excited to share those secrets just yet, but this is the most critical part of the whole process, and everything's downhill from here.
Shit, go ahead. Now we're starting here.
All right, so here's the Einstein scanner, the Vega, and I'll just hit play, hold steady. Now, as I scan, it's going to turn green. Green means you have complete data. I'm on the biggest scan mode right now. Now, is it losing tracking? So when it turns purple like that, it's losing tracking.
That can't be good for the dots.
Here, let's just do this. Check this out.
Like a lower slow down.
No, we're good.
Yeah, well,
It's not that, it's we're good. So now it has a little bit of a hard time on Chrome sometimes, but generally we don't need that data for where we're going. So I'll just back out of it a little bit. I need to be able to see 4 of those red dots all the time for it to maintain tracking. So now I can see my middle. If I massage the area, I can get more data from the side, and it'll build a really nice image. It works. So knowing that we're gonna create a canvas that kind of goes straight back, once I get to this corner, when I would pattern this, it would be a straight line anyways. So I'm just gonna get to the apex of the corner, and we'll call it good there. Now I'm gonna tie it together by scanning the floor, which I've prepared with some targets. Oh, see how it loses tracking? You can kind of go back and then realign. And now, you gotta be a little careful when you go around the corners. it.
All right, now with that, we're gonna pattern the whole backside of this Intrepid.
Yep.
This is super cool.
So I know I can mirror this and it's going to be just fine. If it was windows where you needed to be like really, really accurate, then I would go ahead and scan the entire area.
Oh, because you're splitting it, so you just
everything
looks
is symmetrical.
Yeah.
So we should be totally fine.
Most boats are, not all.
Yeah. Well, I was more worried about the seat more than anything, but this is totally fine. But you know, we basically have the edge of the zipper for the side all the way up. And we have everything up underneath. We know how far to bring it down and where the floor is. And then we know where the middle is. And then we know how to curve our material around that. So I'll just
That's insane to me that you can get a pattern from that.
stretch the neoprene across the entire bimini frame structure, and it bends to the shape of the boats.
Right, and then you can put your targets wherever you want.
Well, I then took the targets and I put them on buttons, and I sewed buttons in a random pattern on the...
Oh my God, so you get like your own little kit.
Exactly.
That's cool.
That's the kind of shit I think about.
Bars. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Then you stick it up on the bar and you go to the next job.
I don't like this. Normally I would scan this from the outside because I can get down in that crevice.
Right. You want to do it from the outside?
The cover off?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we're going to switch. So used to building windshield covers where you can lean on the glass a little bit.
Yeah, don't lean on that.
Yeah. Well, it'll be gone soon enough anyway, but...
You don't want that because you fell through it.
Yeah. Just picking up the interior.
Yeah.
It does? Oh, it has text. Text, making text. So that feels. This is 3/4 offset. Is it?
All right, I'm at Artful Canvas in Saint Pete. This is one of the few places I actually consider competition. Wait till you see inside this place what these guys are doing. This place is awesome. What's he doing now? Cutting? Still drawing. So it's only putting the numbers and the letters in. I think that thing's out of ink.
Maybe there's like dirt or something like this. Doesn't want to flow.
Yeah, it's coated. It don't matter. We can figure it out. Okay, I'm at Artful Canvas. We're on the Automatrix machine, and they're cutting out an enclosure for this beautiful boat we're doing. We got banyan, marine vinyl here. This thing is awesome. Look, he just cut this whole thing out. This is crazy. It's crazy incredible.
Okay, I need at least
So we got 40 gauge Stratoglass on the autometric machine here at the Artful Canvas. This is incredible. Look at this. So what it's doing is it goes from the computer and it just cuts on my window. This is going on the back half of an enclosure on a small yacht. Look at that. Just cut it out just like that. It's going to leave little notches so the since there's nowhere to sew. This was so fast and efficient, it's already finished. Look at how it cuts through this Stratoglass. We got 40 gauge Stratoglass on here. It's cutting it like butter, like it's not even there. Look at that. That's incredible. I don't know if you can see the lines in the camera. That's crazy. Make it not loud or anything, right? Alright, so we're on the Laguna CNC machine. We're cutting a Plascolite AR. This is the good stuff. The Tough AK AR is the special good stuff. It's cutting like butter on the CNC machine. This stuff is so incredible. I'm at Artful Canvas still. This is what they're doing. All right, this place is beautiful. Check out this beautiful sewing room. It's one of 3. We're at Artful Canvas in Saint Petersburg. It's one of my real life competitors. I'm honored they let me come in here and film. Take a look at this place. It's awesome. I'm gonna show you what we're doing with these CNC machines. It is incredible. Don't forget, keep a little wind in the sails of my pirate ship and like this video.